On the 30th of July 2022, around 2:20 p.m., two people on a bike stopped Shrimati Janita Swear with the intention to rob her while she was travelling from Lausip to Madanriting. The two youths snatched Shrimati Janita's phone and rode away with it. A case of theft was registered at the Madanriting police station, case number 96722 US 392 IPC. Acting promptly, the Madanriting police station was able to apprehend the duo from Mauble yesterday at around 5:25 p.m. The thieves were identified as Uthaniel Marbanyang, 19 years of Nongthamai Ringineng, and Govind Singh, 20 years of Demthring Block 1. The Yamaha motorcycle with the serial number MT15Y2 used by them has been seized, and the stolen phone has also been recovered. Their involvement in other similar cases cannot be ruled out at present. An investigation in this regard has been launched.